Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on pathology or the changes that occur in a person who is suffering with SSPE. First one is these measles virus are going to infect nerve cells and glial cells. Glial cells are the supportive cells of the nervous system. Both the cells they will enter and they will multiply there. Basically virus is a capsid. Capsid means viral RNA is present inside the proteinaceous coat, that is capsid. There will be lot of capsids that is developing in the neuron and also glial cells. The important thing you have to observe here is, see, normally this is a envelope virus. Envelope virus means there will be a phospholipid surrounding the virus. What happens when the virus has phospholipid means there will not be any proteins, or there will be very minimum of proteins on the surface. So when there are very minimum of the proteins, it will not evoke the immune response. Immune response is evoked only when you have sufficient amount of proteins on the surface of the virus. As there are no sufficient amount of protein, or M protein we call, on the viral envelope, so this is not detected by our immune system, so that the immune system can kill it. So it escapes the immune system and develops and finally destroys the nerve cells as well. Basically it demyelinates the neuron. Demyelination means every neuron or the parts of the neuron is covered with an envelope that we call as myelin sheath. This myelin sheath is removed because of the infection, and there will be wrong conductivity of signals within the brain and nerves. That is the main pathology we see in SSPE.